Hello everybody, it's your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia. Back with another Create and Relate. Let's talk. So, my intentions, this is what did Jaxie call it? A loaded talk? This is a luck of the draw talk. So my original plans were to do 7 projects. And I think I was just excited because I had never done one before. And I'm always super excited about crocheting. But I had to take a step back for a second. I know that I would only be working on each project one day a week. So, and I wanted to give myself something else to do. So what I decided was to just go with 6 projects and not 7. And I got my numbers all together. And what I did, I threw numbers in a little bucket and pulled them out so that I could get my colors in order, because I didn't want to pick favorite colors in the group to go certain places, already knowing that one number has already been drawn. So I did it kind of fair that way. So I'm going to be making an amigurumi egg. My base color will be white. I'm going to be making an amigurumi snake. My base color will be speckled green. And then I'll be making a turtleneck cow, base color red, an infinite scarf with infinite cow, base color buff, a granny square blanket, base color red, and what I call a showstopper, which is just stripes. But I have to figure out what kind of design I'm going to put in there. I got to do something. But the base color for that one is going to be red as well. So now I have excuse me. Okay. So now what I have to do is actually pull my yarn and put them into separate bags for the projects, and that way I can pull the bag in the project and work on it as it needs to be worked on. I look at crazy stuff on TV. I do. Like scariest moments in the woods. Have I been camping before? I sure have, and I enjoyed it. And I was younger. Would I go camping now? Heck no. I'm 61 years old and can't walk from my bedroom to the front door. No. Don't I look like Bear Breakfast? A moose meal? No. No. A fox feast? Look like I can cater to a cougar? No. No. I don't even want to take a short trip through the woods. Nope. N to the O. So those are my plans as far as the Luck of the Draw 10, the Boggy Creek edition is concerned. So there are going to be blankets in there, and I'm looking at my yarn setup. I kind of put everything together on the shelf so that I could see what I had, and oh god, this is going to eradicate so much yarn. This is going to destroy my yarn, but hey, it's for a good cause. The yarn will be getting gone. So I will get to work on that tonight. And what I will try to do, as far as that is concerned, I'll try to show you daily updates with that. I think that'll be cool. 5 or 6 minute videos, just to show you where I'm going and which one I'm working on what day. So as it is, the number was drawn on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, it is Sunday. So I am 3 days behind already. So yeah, I gotta get these fingers moving. I do. But I can tell you what I did. I can show you what I've done. kind of started transferring everything over here. And what I've done is I made sure that I put what size hook I'll be using, how many rows or rounds go with each project. I'm still trying to figure out the second blanket that I'm doing. I'm calling it the show striper. Oh, the colors are gorgeous, and I really have to find something that's going to bring those colors out. The colors are like absolutely, hold on, I'm back. The colors are like absolutely amazing. I can tell you the colors actually. They are blue, silver, pink, purple, and gray, blue, a gray, pink, white, like variegated color. It's the mainstay, like sparkle. Too cute. Too cute. The granny square blanket, the colors are going to be watermelon, gnome. Yeah, gnome, as in mandala. So watermelon, gnome, yellow, teal, and orange. And my base color is red. The infinite cowl is going to be black, brown, white, yellow, and red. Hold on, please. Okay, I'm back. I don't know where I left off. I think I was telling you about the infinite cowl. Black, brown, white, red, and yellow. Base color buff. And then another turtleneck cowl. And my colors are sky blue, muted fuchsia, blue and sapphire, and white. And my base color is red, so it'll be like different shades of blue, red, and white. So that's, I think that'll be cute. My snake is going to be base color green, and then I've got this, everything else is purple. Yeah, I've got this really pretty floral purple. I've got grape, purple, lilac, and periwinkle. Beautiful. The egg is going to be kind of springy. The base color is white, and my colors are pink, yellow, green, blue, and lilac. So it's going to be kind of springy. The one that I will probably end up putting the most work into will be the snake, because I'm using a small hook and all single crochet. But that's great. That's fine. I love single crochet anyway. I did get a little further on the one that I was making as like a model. I needed to see how to work up the one that I wanted to make for the make along. So I started this one, and from here it's just a matter of how far I want to go with this. I did want a 6-foot snake, but I don't have 6 feet of this color, and I don't want to really, it's going to change up anyway because it goes to a darker rainbow, and then it'll be going back to this color rainbow. So yeah, but I just have to see what I'm working with and continue to get that worked out. Yes. So I will let you know tomorrow how far I have gotten on each project. I am putting hands on everything that I've got as a whip, and that's what I've been doing the last couple of days, and I'm just making it happen. So don't forget to love yourselves, because self-love is the greatest love of all, and you can't give others the love they deserve unless you love yourself the way you deserve to be loved, and you deserve the best. Remember, Kitty Lane told you that. So until we see each other, before I leave, thank you to all of my subscribers. Please continue to pop in, hit those thumbs, encourage others to come in and subscribe. Comment. I love the comments. I read them all. I respond to them all. And don't forget, when you see that bell, click the one that has the dimples so that you'll always know when I'm dropping fresh content. I will see you all on those YouTube streets. But until then, Peace.